Hello students, I hope you all are keeping well. In last session we saw how food is important for us to stay alive. We saw that food is required to get energy, to grow, to stay healthy and to fight with the diseases. Food have various nutrients that help us in different ways. These nutrients are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals. Along with these nutrients, we have water and roughage. They are also essential to our diet. In other words, to stay healthy and strong, we should eat a diet that contains all the nutrients in correct quantities. This is called balanced diet. And in today's session, we are going to learn more about balanced diet. So first, let us define what is balanced diet. A diet that contains all the components of the food, that is carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, minerals and fats, in the right proportion for the healthy functioning of our body, is called balanced diet. This means that balanced diet is necessary for the healthy growth and development of our body. If we take any nutrients in too much or too little quantity, it can affect our growth and weaken the fighting capacity of our body. Now, requirement of these food components in balanced diet varies according to age, physical activities, gender and health of the person. For example, a person who does more physical work, more physical labor, such as athlete, laborer, farmer, their work requires more physical effort. So they need a diet that is richer in carbohydrates than a person who just sits in the office and works. Here, more physical activity is not required by him. So he doesn't require carbohydrate rich food. Now, growing children like you need more protein rich diet because you all are growing. The bones and the muscles are developing. So when you eat protein rich diet, it will help in the overall development of your body and mind. Now, the adults whose job requires them to sit and work during the day, they need a diet that contains less carbohydrate and fats. Otherwise, they will start gaining weight. Now, old people, they are usually not engaged in much of physical activities. So, they need a low fat diet. But their diet should contain high fiber. This will help them in proper digestion. And they should do moderate exercise also along with this. They should have plenty of milk, milk products, fresh fruits and vegetables so that their vitamins and minerals needs are met and they remain healthy. Children, it is very important to eat a balanced diet because when you eat a balanced diet, it provides energy to all the body parts so that they can perform their functions properly. It helps in proper growth and development of your body. It also helps you to improve your memory power. It helps you to concentrate. It allows you to focus better on your studies or any other day-to-day activities. It also gives you the strength to fight with the diseases so that you will not fall sick again and again. So, eat healthy and stay fit. There are many ways of making our diet healthier. Let us discuss few ways in which we can have healthy diet. We should use less sugar and salt while cooking food. Salt contains sodium, which is bad for our health. Sugar is also not very good for our health. Avoid adding more salt to the cooked food because uncooked salt only invites health problem. Use less oil while cooking. Avoid deep frying as much as possible because that food will contain more of oil. Also avoid reusing of the oil. Means once you have heated the oil and used it, do not use the same oil for frying. Eat fruits such as apple, orange and guavas daily because they are good source of vitamins. Add sprouts in your diet because sprouting consists of germinating seeds. So when you are eating sprouted grams or moong dal that you either eat raw or slightly cooked, they provide you with many nutrients like protein, carbohydrates, vitamins and roughage, and all these nutrients are very good for your health. Eat lot of salads because they contain lot of fibers which are good for your digestions. Eat curd, eat fermented food. Fermented food contains many useful bacteria that help in the process of digestion. Some of the fermented food that you enjoy eating are idlis, dosas, dhoklas. These were few tips to make your diet healthier. I hope you have enjoyed listening to it and you will follow the same in your diet. So eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye for now.